The world of tools is constantly evolving, bringing smarter designs, greater precision, and unbelievable innovation. In this video, you'll discover 20 brand new tools that are changing the game and pushing the limits of what's possible. Let's get started. The TurboLite brushless circular saw delivers fast, precise cutting with a powerful 4,700 revolutions per minute motor, compact bevel gear design, and integrated high-capacity battery. Smart load monitoring, USB-C charging, and included cutting accessories make it an efficient, ready-to-use solution for DIY and professional projects. The hand-threaded rivet nut kit makes installing strong-threaded inserts quick and easy for automotive, furniture, marine, and equipment repairs. Featuring interchangeable mandrels, assorted rivet nuts, ergonomic non-slip handles, and a durable carrying case, it delivers reliable fastening for a wide range of projects. Say hello to serious drilling power. The WorkPro 20 Volt. Brushless impact drill cranks out 150 Newton-meters of torque like it means business. Add M3HSS bimetal hole saws and watch it slice through steel, aluminum, wood, plastic, and plasterboard with ease. Brushless muscle, anti-kickback safety. Tough jobs never stood a chance. The Empire EXT Extendable. True blue box level adjusts to fit a wide range of measuring tasks, replacing multiple fixed-length levels in one tool. Featuring exceptional accuracy, superior vial visibility, continuous scribing capability, and an integrated ruler, it delivers precise layout and leveling for professional tradespeople. The Expert EXBA 18-volt battery delivers up to 2,000 watts of power in a lightweight 605-gram design. Advanced CoolPack 2.0 cooling extends battery life, while compatibility with the Bosch Professional 18-volt system and AMP share ensures reliable, versatile performance across multiple tools. Introducing the Combination Wrench, your fastener's new best frenemy. Extended reach and offset jaws sneak into tight spots, while special grip profiles lock onto fasteners, new or beat up, like a champ. Forged from polished chrome vanadium steel, it brings serious strength, durability, and leverage to every tough mechanical job. Fasten your welding helmets. The good Unimig is here to flex. With up to 270 amps on tap, it juggles MIG or MAG, flux cord, stick, and optional TIG without breaking a sweat. Digital controls, advanced functions, and a pro-wire feeder deliver precision and versatility for your gnarliest fabrication challenges. Zap into action with the 3-in-1 Crimping Pliers, precision crimping for MC4 and MC4 EVO2. Solar connectors made easy. Factory-calibrated pressure and square crimping nails secure electrical connections every time, while the toggle lever mechanism slashes effort. Consistent professional results, minus the arm workout. Meet the DENKO CATCHER, the ninja of cable retrieval. Lightweight carbon fiber build teams up with a stainless steel hook for fast, precise routing in the tightest spaces. A slim, ergonomic grip and anti-roll end cap keep things steady, resisting flex for reliably heroic performance every time. The Mortar Router Dust Guard transforms angle grinders into safer, dust-free routing tools with precise depth adjustment and cutting guidance. Compatible with most 115mm and 125mm grinders, it improves accuracy, reduces airborne dust, and delivers cleaner, more efficient masonry and mortar removal. Say goodbye to gas and hello to the cordless brad nailer. Lightweight, compact, and packing brushless power for fast, reliable fastening. Its 2.0 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery fires up to 1,300 nails per charge, all while running quieter and cleaner. No combustion, no maintenance headaches, just nailing it, effortlessly. Move heavy stuff like a boss with the Osabako Slab Rack Dolly. Sturdy, compact, and built to haul stone slabs and glass sheets with swagger. Adjustable support poles and rubber-lined protection keep load secure, while heavy-duty swivel casters glide smoothly under up to 2,200 pounds. Heavy lifting, zero drama. The Veritas hold-down provides powerful, adjustable clamping for woodworking benches, using any standard 3/4-inch bench dog hole. Its forged steel arm, precision grip, and low-profile design deliver exceptional holding strength, while keeping the workpiece fully accessible for cutting, shaping, and assembly. Punch it like a pro with the Daia Knockout Punch and Die set. Clean, accurate holes in metal, fast. Crafted in Japan from premium tool steel, it's built to last through demanding use. Pair it with a manual draw stud and nail professional knockout installs in under 60 seconds flat. The cordless router combines a powerful brushless motor with a 50mm plunge depth for fast, precise routing in wood and similar materials. Variable speed control, fine depth adjustment, overload protection, and versatile accessories deliver professional accuracy across a wide range of woodworking applications. Climb aboard the cutting-edge chaos of the Makita Top Handle Chainsaw. Lightweight, cordless, and built for fast, precise pruning. Excellent balance and variable speed control keep every cut smooth, while automatic chain lubrication and advanced safety features have your back. Pro arborists, meet your new favorite sidekick. The barbaric wheel assembly manipulator safely lifts, positions, and aligns heavy tractor wheels with exceptional precision. Featuring ergonomic controls, multi-axis movement, and advanced safety systems, it streamlines assembly, reduces operator strain, and improves efficiency when handling loads up to 725 kilograms. Trim, edge, repeat. The Flymo. Simply Trim 230 Plus is your garden's 2-in-1 glow-up. A peppy 300-watt motor powers through grass while the edging wheel keeps lines crisp. Automatic line feed and an anti-jam spool mean smooth, precise trimming and clean edges, minus the frustration. Lawn goals unlocked. The S-Tripod Sight Light delivers up to 10,000 lumens through 2 adjustable spotlights mounted on a stable, height-adjustable tripod. Quick setup, compact storage, dual brightness levels, and compatibility with all CAS 18-volt batteries make it a versatile lighting solution for demanding job sites. The Teslong TS01-P07 QuickFix Toolkit packs essential repair tools into one compact, organized toolbox. Featuring pliers, adjustable wrench, hammer, utility knife, screwdrivers, tape measure, and a 20-piece bit set, it provides everything needed for everyday DIY projects, home maintenance, and quick repairs. We hope you enjoyed exploring these incredible inventions. Tell us which tool impressed you the most, and subscribe for more videos featuring the latest tools and cutting-edge technology.